So now I'm very close to the border between Arizona and New Mexico, and I never been there, I mean in New Mexico, because I really don't know what can I see there, what will I you know, show it to you guys, because I think it looked the same, because many people just say it's like boring state. Sorry, this is not my opinion, I just hear it somewhere and just telling you right now, but who knows, probably it will be something interesting. Look at this place. Can I call it desert or not? Oh wow. And this is little break for me, for my body, and of course to my car, because I was driving like 200 miles or something like this. I don't really know, because I just listened to YouTube, listened to music and did so much stuff. Probably I just ate most of my food. Oh, look at the ants. Wow, they're so big. What's up? Oh, wow. I'm really scared. I like trips like this because I just feel that I was super productive, you know, like a week ago, and probably the day before yesterday or even yesterday, because I was able to go but I wasn't able to go. My work, my clients, and when I just move out, my clients from Chicago, they just wrote me like, hey Ari, what's up, I'd like to shoot a music video, like we did 2 times because we made 2 videos together, and I was like, oh man, where have you been? Because I already moved out, so I'm sorry, I will find something else. I mean, I already work as a production flexible, meaning please subscribe to my Instagram channel, but I work only with editors, and that means I have to find more people to create this company, more videographers, more cameramen, because this is great, you know, if you just live somewhere outside of California, in Los Angeles, so probably in Texas or in Florida, whatever, if you're able to find someone to shoot music videos, probably as a cameraman or as a director, this is great. But of course, I will come back to California. I don't know why, probably in a month or later, because I'm going to Florida right now, and I hope I will, you know, put some roots into this state. Woo! Take a picture of me, guys, because this place is amazing. Wow. All right, let's go. And this place is amazing. I mean, the stone's so big, and the hills or is a mountain, I don't know, man, this is crazy. Yeah, it looks like they need some water right here, because you can see there is no life right here. Oh, but some flowers as well. This is funny, right? Check out my new place for this night. I have to check out by 11 again, that's cool. I have so much stuff that I just put it on this bed, and I just, you know, moved from my car. This is crazy. Part of my closets, like to the home style, the kitten again, and also I just brought some pillows. This is my pillows, 2 pillows, because I don't want to touch that, because I didn't see, I mean, you know, any blankets, anything, probably this one, but it looks so, I don't know this word in English again. I had, you know, this very interesting situation, because Texas has a border between Mexico, and just somebody, I mean the police, just stopped me, not I mean on the road but somewhere, and they just asked, are you US citizen? And I, no, not yet, I'm just waiting for my documents. I have social security number and work authorization. Why are you asking? Good morning, world. I have no idea where am I right now. and it's 7 a.m. in the morning. I just woke up like 15 minutes ago. Last night I got some information from my ex-girlfriend that she found somebody else, and this is really crazy. I can't see anything because I feel so much pain in my heart right now. I try to forget her, but this is really hard. I slept here not very fine, and also on the third day I understood that I have to change something inside my car, because you can see so much stuff right here, and also I have tea inside this box, so I have to cut this line and to get some tea. Looks like travel, but this is really big travel, right? Alright, so I have a last bag that I'll put inside. This is all my food right here. Washington looks a bit tired, but I hope it will be okay. Oh, this is for trash.